Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use gems in Gemini to save time with AI. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Google Gemini. Then press enter and click on the first website to open Gemini AI. Once you're on the Gemini homepage, click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. From there, click on Gems. You'll now see different types of Gemini gems. To view all available gems, click on the See More button. Choose any gem according to your needs. For this example, I'm selecting the Learning Coach gem. After clicking on it, a new chat window will open. Now, type your question or topic. I'm using the example question about photosynthesis. Press enter and wait a few moments for Gemini to generate a response. As you can see, the Learning Coach gem provides a clear and detailed explanation that's easy to understand. You can continue asking questions and learning more about the topic through the same chat. Gems help save time because they're already designed for specific tasks, so you don't need to write detailed prompts every time. You can explore other gems for writing, coding, brainstorming, productivity, and many other tasks. And that's it. If you liked the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.